to Golden Cloud Recruitment System tutorial session. Today, we will explore the Offices and Companies section, featuring two key subsections. At first, we have the Foreign Companies and Offices, where you can discover and manage information related to foreign companies and offices, enabling seamless collaboration and global reach. The second subsection is External Offices for affiliate offices. This subsection is designed for managing external offices, especially tailored for affiliate offices, where you can enhance your ability to effectively handle and navigate through your external office relationships. So let's begin our exploration within the first subsection, Foreign Companies and Offices. In the Foreign Companies and Offices subsection, you can efficiently manage and explore foreign offices, whether they are linked to your organization or operates independently. This table will provide you with essential information, including the name of the office or the company, the origin country. Here we have the type of this office. This column, the affiliate office, will specify if this office is linked to you or operates independently, but in other words, we call it affiliate or non-affiliate. Here you can browse the status if this office is active or non-active. And here, this is the last column, which will show you the parent office. So basically, in this example, we have added a new external office that is linked to our main office, which is Kingdom. So that's why you can see the parent here is Kingdom for recruitment, but the external office name is White Diamond for recruitment. So let's walk through adding a new independent external office in this example. And you can note that this feature allows you to expand your network and enhances collaboration with external entities. So let's proceed with the demonstration. To add a new independent external office, locate and click on the Create button. Upon clicking, a pop screen will appear with different parts, as you can all see. So we will begin within our first part, which is basic information. In this subsection, you need to provide essential details. This includes the name of the office, license number. You need to also specify the name of the license holder, enter the tax number associated with the office as well, providing the office physical address, mobile number, email, and other basic informations. So let's start with overviewing all these fields together, starting from this button where you can specify if this office is affiliate or non-affiliate. In a more simpler way, when you activate this button, it means that this office is related and linked to you. But in the case, if you deactivated this button, it means that this office is not linked to your operations and it's operating independently. In this example, we will not be activating this feature because, as I said in the beginning of the video, we will be adding a new independent external office. Next, we have create a user. This is just like the previous subsections within our system. By activating this feature, you can provide this office with a username and password, of course, with certain accessibilities and authorizations, so they can log into the system and start their operations. But in this example also, we will not be activating this feature, and we will be continuing uploading all these basic informations. Here we have the name in Arabic, the name in English. Note that the name in Arabic is not mandatory field because we are talking about external and foreign offices. Only the name in English is mandatory. So let's choose any random recruitment agency name. For example, Perfect. This is the name I have in mind. Perfect for recruitment. And then here we have something called prefix name in English. So you can see this small alert written in English where it can give you a hint on what you need to upload in this field. You can see in this green alert, the abbreviated name shouldn't contain special characters or distance. It's used as a company username to log in. So let's go and choose perfect, and this is our username to our system to navigate through the system. Of course, this will be activated when you create a user for this office, but still this is a mandatory field to upload. Also, here we have the Ministry of Labor license number. You can see that most of these fields are not mandatory, they're optional. But if you have them, it would be great to upload them to ensure a comprehensive record of each external office. Let's go and put any random number as a license number. The license holder name in Arabic is not mandatory. The license holder name in English, let's go and choose Saira Al Khatib. In here, the tax number of this office, let's go and choose any random number also. The license issue date, let's go and choose January, the 1st of January. Here, the license expiration date. Here also, this is a mandatory field, the origin of this country. Let's go and choose India, for example, the city in Arabic, the city in English. Here you can put New Delhi as the city of India, the address in Arabic, the address in English here also. We're just gonna put any random address. Here we have the mobile number. We will upload any random mobile number in this field, anything random. Also here we have the telephone number. Let's put anything. And here we have the email of this new office. Let's go for perfect_recruitment@gmail.com. Here we have the bank name, bank account, the IBAN, and all these fields are related to the bank information of this new office. Here we have this field. This field is very crucial, which is payment agreement. You can see that upon clicking, two options will appear to you, half after stamp and half after closing the request, and the second option is closing the request. So half after stamp and half after closing the request, you can choose this option if the payment agreement involves a split, with half of the payment occurring after the stamping process and the remaining half upon closing the request. So here we have the closing the request. This option, you choose it when it involves making the full payment upon closing the request. So basically in this field, you need to select the option that aligns with the mutually agreed upon payment terms between the both of you. So in this example, we will be choosing half after stamp and half after closing the request. Here we have the hypothetical language of this office. Of course, we will be choosing English since this is an external and a foreign office. The default currency, let's go and choose dollars. If this office has job orders or has tasks, for example, in the job order, let's go and choose yes. Has tasks or no, this depends on various factors. Here we have the passport validity and a period in months. And here on the last two fields about the basic informations is where you need to upload attachments related to the owner ID and the license document. So let's go and choose any random picture. This is the ID. And here we have the license document. All these are just an example and all these informations are fake. So the viewer can understand the main concept, not only the viewer, but also our future users within the system. So now let's move to the next part, which is nationalities and occupation. By this part, you have the ability to specify the nationalities and occupations that this office can offer as an applicant or workers exporter. Here's how you can manage this section. So you can utilize the nationality search field to quickly find and select specific nationalities by start typing the nationality name for quick results. For example, India, since that this is an Indian recruitment office. Whenever you type the country here in this field, it's going to appear to you here automatically. Or alternatively, you can scroll through the comprehensive list of nationalities to choose the one applicable to the office. This provides a broad overview for selection. Here you can scroll up and down and choose your the country that you want, but I find it easy to write it in this field. Now all you have to do, just double click on the nationality to activate it. Here we have the occupations search. This is similarly to the worker's nationality. You can define the occupations that the office can offer. Utilize here the search field or functionality, or you can also scroll through the list to choose the relevant occupations. So, for example, female coffee servant, female driver, female cooker. As I said, that by this section, you can control and specify what can this office offer to us as an exporter. Female home tailor, female house manager, for example, female personal helper, and so on. So this is everything about the nationality and occupation part of the companies and offices form. So to complete the process and add the new external office, click on the Create button in here. It's worth noting that although we haven't uploaded anything in this prices subsection during this demonstration, you will have the opportunity to do so when you formally add this office to the system. Basically, this ensures that all relevant details are accurately captured and integrated into the system. So now let's click on this button to initiate the process of adding this new independent external office. We can see the new office that we have added, number 2, perfect for recruitment, the country India, the type related non-Saudi group. Here we have the affiliate office. It's not affiliated exactly the way we uploaded. And here we have the status and the parent columns. So now let's get back to the form itself by clicking here at number 2. And then click on this edit button so you can upload the informations related to the prices. So this subsection plays a crucial role in specifying the prices for this office. And as a Saudi office, you will upload these prices in the default currency, which is Saudi Riyal. This step is very essential and crucial for the following reason. So in the case, if you have recruited a certain worker from this office, after this worker arrives into Saudi Arabia and after handing over this applicant to the customer, you need to establish an invoice called supplier invoice. When you click on that invoice, it will contain numeric data and costs about the recruitment processes and procedures. This numeric data will be reflected from the informations you will be uploading now in this subsection. So in a simpler way, all the numeric data that you will be uploading here in the prices part, it's going to reflect directly in the supplier invoice. So now let's start by uploading the characteristics of the applicants, starting by the gender, double click, and then choose female. The occupations, let's go and choose female personal helper. Experience X abroad. The religion, let's go and choose Muslim. The currency, as I said, that you need to upload the price and the default currency. And the default currency for Saudi offices are Saudi riyals. Afterwards, you need to upload the recruitment costs. Let's go and choose any random cost, for example, 2,000. The salary of this female personal helper, let's go and choose 2,500. The allowances, 500, for example. The request type, according to specifications, passport with passport. The request duration will be 90 days. And here, click on this checkbox to activate the status. Of course, you can add as much as you want of rows by clicking on this button. So by filling in all these informations, you are done with adding all the informations related to the companies and offices. Now, after adding the prices, just click on the apply changes, and now it's done. So this is everything about the foreign companies and offices subsection. You can also download this table in 4 different formats, just like the previous subsections in our system. You click on this action button and then you choose download. You can choose from these 4 formats. We have CVs, HTML, Excel, PDF. For the PDF, here you have 2 options: the page size and the page orientation. External offices for affiliate offices offers a familiar and identical interface to the previous subsection, which was foreign companies and offices. As an external office or a foreign office, you gain a direct view of your linked offices also. So you can have a direct look at your linked offices. For example, in this table, Kingdom for Recruitment appears as an affiliate and linked office to White Diamond for Recruitment, because White Diamond is an affiliated and linked to the Saudi office. That's why Kingdom has appeared to us here in this table. So if you want to add an external office for affiliate offices, here on this create button, when you click on it, a pop-up screen will appear to you containing 2 main sections. This is also very familiar and identical to the form of the foreign companies and offices. The only difference here is that you need to select the related affiliated office, for example, Kingdom, and then you can continue with uploading the rest of the information: the urgent of the company, the mobile number, the name of this external office in English, and here you need to upload the prices the same as the previous subsection. So this is everything about external offices for affiliate offices. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on the Golden Cloud recruitment system. If you found the information valuable and would like to stay updated on more tutorials and insights, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any additional questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. You can also contact us through the provided numbers in the description. We value your feedback and we are here to assist you. Stay tuned for future guides where we will continue exploring and optimizing your recruitment processes with Golden Cloud recruitment system. Your success in recruitment is our top priority. Thank you for choosing Golden Cloud, and we look forward to being part of your recruitment journey.